Diego and Jada want to scale this polygon, so the side that corresponds to 15 units in the original is 5 units in the scaled copy. So in this problem, you are given all of the side lengths. You know what they are. You know what the side lengths are of the original. And as you will see in the next picture or on the next screen, you will know what the side lengths of the scaled copies are. All right. And what you're trying to determine is who used the correct operation, Diego or Jada. Now, it's 15 units long in the original polygon. And we want to scale it down so that it's only 5 units long. All right. So we want to see that if that segment is 5 units long, if it's scaled down to 5 units, what would the other side lengths be? All right. So Diego and Jada each use a different operation to find the new side lengths. Here are their finished drawings. All right, this is what happens, or some version of this, when you use the wrong operation when you're drawing scale drawings. All right, what happened is Diego used a wrong operation, and he ended up not being able to connect these lines shape. So the original polygon has a side length that's 30, 36, 18, 15, 12, and 21. So let me look at that. So what did Diego do? I just want to show you that. So if the original side length that matches with this this copy length is 30, so this is what Diego did. He went 30 minus 10 and he got 20. The reason he did that, here's my guess why he did that. The original question is asking him to scale down this polygon so that this side length here, the one that's 15 units long, so that it's scaled down to 5 units. So Diego went like, oh, wait a minute, the original is 15 units long. How am I going to get it to be 5 units? He's like, okay, easy. I'm just going to subtract 10 from it, and I got 5. So there you go. I got the right answer. So then he thought, okay, well, I'm going to do the same thing all around. All right, and that's how he got 20 for this side length and 26 here, because 36 in the original figure minus 10 is 26. All right, and then the 8th on the original, it's 18. He subtracted 10 and he got 8. All right, he did that all around, but what he found out is that he couldn't complete his drawing. There's something wrong in there. All right, so this is not the correct way of making scaled drawings. Now, what did Jada do? Let me change my color here. So what Jada did, she must have first looked at that side length that's 15 units long. That's this one right here. And she considered, without making a drawing, what she did is like, okay, so the original side length is 15 units long, and I need it to be 5 units long. All right. And she was like, okay, so what do I need to do to the 15 unit long segment in order to get to 5? Now, Jada knows that when we're making scaled drawings, that we're always multiplying. So Jada said, well, wait a minute, I'm going to multiply 15 by some number. Okay, and let's call that number X because we don't know what it is. And so she said, let's multiply that side length that's 15 units long, this one here, and see what we get. How do we get to 5? So she wrote down 15 times X is equal to 5. So to solve for X, she would have had to divide both sides by 15. Okay, the 15s are going to cancel. You're going to end up with X is equal to 5 15s. How many times does 5 go into 15? The answer is 3. Okay, and 5 goes into 5 once. So she got the answer of 1/3. What does this 1/3 represent? This 1/3 represents our scale factor. So once Jada determined what the scale factor should be, which scale factor will get the side length of 15 down to 5 where we want it to be, then she went and she used that scale factor and she multiplied every single one of her original side lengths in order to get the new scaled the side lengths of the scaled copies. So she went 30 times 1/3. Okay, so 30 times 1/3 is same as 30 divided by 3, which is equal to 10. So that's how she knows that this side length is going to be 10. She did the same thing with the original side length that's 36 units long. She multiplied it by same scale factor. Okay, so 36 times 1/3 is same as 36 divided by 3, and that's equal to 12. All right, and then she went on to say, okay, well, the side length of 18 on the original figure times 1/3 is same as 18 divided by 3, and that's equal to 6. All right, and then she went all around, and clearly she was able to get the correct scaled copy.